Right, we're going to have a look at the aftermath of yesterday's big fire, with cars still getting diverted to the right. Oh my goodness gracious me, look at that. Yeah, we'll go to the corner here. As you can see, you've still got some ongoing issues. The fireman's still on the roof, and it looks like it's gone through every single building. Looks like all the windows are being shut out. Well, the bottom doesn't look that bad. The bottom of the building don't look that bad, but it's the top half that's the windows are being put out.
We're not allowed to put everyone in there for the same thing. I don't know when it started with the fire. I mean, also, again, I haven't been given that information. I know it's a lot, I think. Yeah. Again, I don't know.